Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable print polling on your printer in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, print polling allows multiple printers to be linked together to reduce the amount of time required to print documents from multiple computers. When a computer sends a document or other data to a printer, the pages or images that make up the print job are placed in the printer's printing queue. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And i-select mo lang dito yung open. So kapag ganito yung makikita mo, and dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang select dito yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung category. And dito sa category ay next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung hardware and sounds. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa hardware and sounds, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung devices and printers. So click mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa Bluetooth and device. So ang next step, so scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung printers and scanners. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa printers and scanners ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito kahit saan dyan yung printer mo. Okay? So for example, select lang natin tong Microsoft Print. So click mo lang yan. And next step, dito sa kanyang printer settings, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung printer properties. Ito siya. So click mo lang yan. And pop up itong kanyang Microsoft Print properties. And then next step, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ports. Ito siya. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa port, so dito lang sa baba mga kaibigan, makikita mo na dito yung enable printer polling. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-check yung box. And then i-click mo lang dito yung apply. And then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And click mo dito yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable print polling and printer on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.